kids! Hi, Brian. Hi, Mira. Hi, Dave. Hi, Emma. It's nice meeting you today. Remember, I'm still your phonics teacher, Mrs. Emerson. Oh, you can call me Teacher Marianne. All right. Remember last time we talked about so many things, okay? Who amongst you? Okay, Dave. What was our last topic? Can I hear you? That's great! Superb! Wow! That's lovely! Wow! Okay. He said diagraph. That's great. And remember we say a diagraph is formed when two letters come together in a word to make one sound. Hope you remember that. That's lovely. Okay? And we also talked about diagraph TH, and which we say that diagraph TH has two sounds, which are the voiced sound and the voiceless sound of TH. Example, who can give us the example of diagraph TH, the voiced sound? Can I hear you, Mira? That's great! Please, a sound clap for her. That's good. She said, this. That's lovely. This is the voiced sound of TH. Example of the voiced sound of TH. Okay, let's hear from you, Emma. Okay, give me an example of a voiceless sound TH. Mira, okay, can we hear from you? Wow! That's super great! Mira says, Mira says, thank you. The voiceless said, and the voiced said, but today we are going to look into blending and pronunciation of diagraph PH and diagraph SH. Diagraph PH we say, everyone say, can I hear you? Again. That's great. Okay, the next sound is diagraph SH, which is shh. Everyone say shh. Yes, that's lovely. Shh. Again. Shh. Shh. Wow. Okay, let's learn the word photo. Everyone repeat after me. Say photo. Say photo. That's great. Okay. Photo. Photo. Again. Photo. Let's go to the second word. Graph. Everyone say graph. That's lovely. Graph. Say it again. Graph. Okay. Let's go to the third word, which is phone. Say it, phone. That's lovely. Wow, you're getting it. Okay, let's blend the word phone. Phone. Again. Phone. Okay, now Brian, can you blend it? Blend, okay. That's lovely. Okay, that's great. Now let's go to the fourth word, which is push. Everyone say push. Again, push. Again, push. Very good. Let's blend the word push. Push. Again, push. Okay, let's go blend the word flash. Flow. Remember, we have two blending consonant sounds at the beginning. So we have FL will say fleur. Everyone say fleur. That's good. That's lovely. Fleur. Okay, let's blend the word flash. Fleur. Ah. Shh. Flash. Fleur. Ah. Shh. Flash. Okay, let's go to the last word, which is shirt. Shirt. Everyone pronounce the word shirt. Repeat after me. Shirt. That's great. Shirt. Again, shirt. Okay, let's blend the word shirt. Sh. Shirt. Again. Sh. Shirt. Okay, so these are the words of diagraph PH and diagraph SH. Thank you very much for paying attentively to my class. See you some other day. You're welcome.